Here I've got Alcatel OneTouch Idol free, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language. As you can see, you've got plenty of them here. In my case it will be English UK, and tap on next. Now you have to connect with your Wi-Fi, so in my case it's this one, HardReset.Info. Wait until it's connected. And now tap on next. Here you can set up your Google account, so if you have one you can log in with it. Let me set it up now. Tap on set up now. You can log in either with your Gmail or with your phone number. In my case it will be email address HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com. And then tap on next. It's time to enter the password, so just give me a sec. And as only you type it, just click on next. Now obviously you have to come along with all the terms of usage. You have the several documents here to read. You should come along with them, because then you have to agree with all the rules. So just come along with them, and then if you agree, click on I agree. Now wait a few seconds because your device is checking some information. Now you can set up your payment info, but I will skip it, remind me later. You can also log in with your OneTouch User Center, but I will skip it as well for now. And then you can select some Google services that you would like to allow, for example, Google Backup, Google Location Service. So just pick the one that you would like to have, that you would like to include to your device, and click on next. I will leave all of them. And finally pick the battery usage, so let me pick high accuracy and tap on next. And that's it. Now your phone is set up and it's ready to use. Click on finish and set all the other settings like wallpaper. Just personalize your Alcatel now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.